Gaining muscle is a common fitness goal for many people, but despite their best efforts, they may struggle to see the results they desire. There are a variety of factors that can impact muscle growth, from exercise and nutrition to sleep and genetics. In this video, we will explore 10 reasons why you may not be gaining muscle. By understanding these potential barriers to muscle growth, you can adjust your approach to training and nutrition to maximize your results and achieve your muscle building goals. Let's get started. Number 10. Genetics. Genetics play a role in how easily you gain muscle. Some people may find it more difficult to gain muscle than others, regardless of how well they eat and exercise. While genetics may play a role in muscle growth, it is important to remember that anyone can make progress with consistent training and proper nutrition. By focusing on a well-designed workout program, consuming adequate protein and calories, and prioritizing recovery, you can maximize your muscle building potential regardless of your genetics. Number 9. Not getting enough sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, your body may struggle to build muscle. During sleep, the body releases hormones such as growth hormone and testosterone that promote muscle growth and repair. If you are not getting enough sleep, your body may not have enough time to repair and grow your muscles, which can lead to fatigue, injury, and hinder your progress toward your muscle building goals. It is important to prioritize sleep and aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Number 8. Not staying hydrated. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, but is also important for building muscle. If you are not drinking enough water, your body may struggle to build muscle. Water is essential for many bodily functions, including muscle growth and repair. If you are not drinking enough water, your body may not have the necessary resources to build and repair muscle tissue. Additionally, dehydration can cause fatigue, cramps, and hinder your performance during workouts. Number 7. Doing too much cardio. While cardiovascular exercise is important for overall health and fitness, excessive cardio can cause the body to use muscle as fuel instead of fat, which can hinder muscle growth. This is especially true if you are not consuming enough calories and protein to support both cardio and muscle growth. It is important to balance cardio with resistance training to support muscle growth while still maintaining cardiovascular health. Additionally, incorporating high-intensity interval training can provide cardiovascular benefits while still promoting muscle growth. Number 6. Not doing enough volume. Volume refers to the total amount of work you do during your workouts, including the number of sets, reps, and exercises. If you are not doing enough volume, you may not be providing enough stimulus for your muscles to grow. It is important to challenge your muscles with enough volume to stimulate muscle growth, while still allowing time for rest and recovery. This can be achieved by gradually increasing the number of sets, reps, or exercises over time, as well as incorporating techniques such as drop sets, supersets, and rest pause sets. A well-designed workout program should balance volume and intensity to maximize muscle growth. Number 5. Not lifting heavy enough weights. To build muscle, you need to challenge your muscles with progressively heavier weights over time. If you are not lifting heavy enough weights, you may not be providing enough stimulus for your muscles to grow. It is important to choose weights that are challenging but still allow you to maintain proper form. As you become stronger, gradually increase the weight to continue challenging your muscles. This progressive overload is what stimulates muscle growth. Incorporating compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups can also help increase the amount of weight you can lift and promote muscle growth. Number 4. Not getting enough rest. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise when it comes to building muscle. Not getting enough rest is an often overlooked factor in muscle growth. Rest and recovery are essential for allowing your muscles to repair and grow after exercise. If you are not allowing your body enough rest, your muscles will not have the opportunity to recover and grow. This can lead to fatigue, injury, and hinder your progress toward your muscle building goals. It is important to prioritize sleep and allow your body time to rest between workouts. This can be achieved by incorporating rest days into your workout routine and getting at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Remember, rest and recovery are just as important as exercise when it comes to building muscle. Number 3. Not following a structured workout routine. Consistency is key when it comes to building muscle, and a structured workout routine ensures that you are consistently challenging your muscles. A good workout routine should include a variety of exercises that target all major muscle groups, with a focus on progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the weight or resistance of the exercises over time to continue challenging your muscles. Additionally, it is important to incorporate rest days into your routine to allow your muscles time to recover and grow. A well-designed workout routine can help ensure that you are making progress toward your muscle-building goals. Number 2. Not consuming enough protein. Not consuming enough protein is another common reason why people struggle to gain muscle. Protein is the building block of muscle and is necessary for muscle growth and repair. If you're not consuming enough protein, your body won't have the resources it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. It is important to consume a sufficient amount of protein throughout the day to support muscle growth. The recommended daily protein intake varies based on factors such as age, weight, and activity level, but a general guideline is to consume 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Good sources of protein include meat, fish, eggs, dairy, beans, and nuts. Number 1. Not consuming enough calories. Not consuming enough calories is one of the main reasons why people struggle to gain muscle. Building muscle requires consuming more calories than you burn, which is known as being in a caloric surplus. If you are not eating enough, your body will not have the energy it needs to build muscle. It is important to calculate your daily caloric needs and consume a slight surplus to support muscle growth. This can be achieved through a combination of eating more food, consuming calorie-dense foods, and increasing the frequency of meals. However, it is important to balance your caloric intake with exercise to ensure that the excess calories are used to build muscle and not stored as fat. Overall, building muscle requires a combination of proper nutrition, effective training, and sufficient recovery. By addressing potential barriers to muscle growth, you can optimize your muscle building efforts. Additionally, prioritizing rest and recovery through strategies such as proper hydration and adequate sleep can support muscle repair and growth. While genetics may play a role in muscle building potential, with consistent effort and dedication, anyone can make progress towards their muscle building goals. By implementing the strategies outlined in this video, you can overcome obstacles to muscle growth and achieve the physique you desire. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.